Trigonometry math solution. Analysis. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Then we have to prove sin square A minus sin square B. That is there. RHS, analysis, RHS. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is theory. And sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is A. This is A. This is A. This is B. This is B. S square is B square. So sin square A cos square B sin square cos square A sin square B. Then cos square B is equal to 1 minus sin square B. And sin square B is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A into sin square B. Then counting sin square A minus sin square A cos sin square B minus sin square B plus sin square A sin square B. And then sin square A cos square B sin square B sin square A sin square B cutting. Then sin square A minus cos sin square B. RHS. Everybody should know that trigonometry math solution. If anyone, please watch this, realize this, and subscribe me. Please subscribe me. There is a. I have a request. If you anyone want to learn from me, I mean online tuition, please in my Gmail email account, please acknowledge me. Thank you very much. LA says sin A plus B sin A minus A. Then sin A cos B cos A sin B. Sin A cos B cos A sin B. Then S square is A plus B A minus B. Sin square A cos square B cos square A sin square B. Then sin square A 1 minus sin square B cos square A 1 minus sin square A. Then sin square A cos sin square B minus sin square B plus sin square A sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B. Everybody, if anyone, I'm just analyzing what this realize is. I am just requesting to you, if anyone learn from me, please. I mean online tuition, please acknowledge me. Thank you very much. My Gmail account is this is. I Bideshwar Gupta 1988 at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, I would message you in description Gmail account. Okay, thank you very much. Please subscribe me. Was this please subscribe me. All of you progressive and